Yo, 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 yo. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the fucking stream. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. How we all doing? How y'all feeling? Happy to see y'all. Good morning. Let me do that. Boom, boom, boom. What is it? Wednesday? Wednesday. Yo, I forgot. I completely forgot, chat. I completely forgot that the clock has gone back, right? 1 hour. I'm pretty sure the clock has gone back 1 hour. So I thought news was in 1 hour. I thought news was in 1 hour or like 30 minutes from now. So I was this close to... Holy shit, chat. Holy shit, chat. All right, chat. Hold on. God damn it, it flipped. How many pips was that? Like a 20 pip flip. Yeah, dude. Fucking hell, that was a nice... This just happened, chat. This just fucking happened. Beautiful Nowick play with a wick to fill plus a 4-hour Nowick. That was actually a beautiful play, catch out. Can't lie to y'all. But we did not have time to catch it. Did not have time to catch it, unfortunately. We have Nowick plays on all pairs. Chat, holy shit, chat. All right, so a few things we can do here. GPUs flipped, ADs also flipped. All right, let me draw some zones first. Let me do analysis. Nice comp pattern on gold through news. Which comp? Oh, you must have a different chart because I have no comp. AU sells look beautiful. That's what I was looking at as well. AU sells off of that 4-hour flip does look beautiful. See. All right, so I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna have sell limits here on ADUSD right here. So I'm gonna add these sell limits right there at 0.26, 0.62850. I'm gonna have sell limits just based off of that 4-hour or flip play. So we have a 4-hour with practically no bottom wick. You have a bearish incentive on price right now, and you have these comps that both got compensated for from news. So yeah, I'm having a sell stop here on the 4-hour on ADUC, guys. Let me just add the position myself as well. 0.62850. Sell stop. Sell stop. My bad. I said sell limit. I mean sell stop. $0.62850. Right at that 4 hour flip right there. So expecting the 4 hour to kind of, or actually this 1 hour to kind of come up, fill this wick a bit, and then once you flip, I think it's gonna keep coming down, because if you look at overall price action, you are still heavily bearish, right? As you guys see, overall price action is still heavily bearish, even in the lower time frame trend. So in the bearish trend, DXY is currently pushing, as you guys see right here. DXY is pushing with a lot of imbalances to fill to the upside, so you have a lot of upside potential on the DXY. So I'm expecting bearish price action on pretty much all USD pairs, ADUSD, GPUSD, and gold. So that's why I'm entering this trade right here, chat, on ADUSD. The bigger the top wick on the 4 hour, the better. Remember, so we need a big top wick on the 4 hour to around, hopefully to around these areas right here. If we get that top wick, that's perfect, because then when we flip, we're going to create an even bigger bottom wick, because as you guys know, the bigger the top wick, the bigger the bottom wick. That's a slingshot effect. Yeah, that's what we're going to wait for here to get activated on this sell stop. Why do I have a sell limit? Sell stop. Right there. And that should be a pretty clean drive down on the 4 hour as well. Probably going to close partials at these lows right here, because that's a pretty strong area. But yeah, that's the position, boys. Very early position here. Do you use OAND on all charts? Yes, I do. DXY going bullish. Yes, I'm seeing that. Let's see what gold is saying. 30. Let's get the daily, bro. All right, so daily is tapping into that resistance that we talked about yesterday, which is a decision area. So right here on the daily, guys, you have a decision area, which means what? Which means it's an area where price makes a big hasty move. Whether that is pushing hard or dumping hard, we don't know. We just know that price is going to make a big hasty move. And the way it's looking for me, the way it looks right now, is it looks like the DXY wants to flip, or gold wants to flip bearish on the daily time frame, because you have now created this candle right here, and you've tapped into this decision area. And you've started to reject from that decision area, which means what? Which means that if you reject from a decision area, it means you have made a decision. And in this case, its decision is to probably reject and dump. So like every other candle here, boom, 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 boom. Price has made its decision, and you'll likely see a big push on the other direction. So that's what I'm expecting on the daily, just based off of this decision that it made. And based off of the fact that even if you want to push higher, I do think we need more liquidity. So I do think you're going to come down and then push higher for all-time highs if you now want to tap all-time highs. And the fact that you're currently like just consolidating between these ranges right here, consolidating between these ranges on the daily. So you've just gone up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And since you've done that, history repeats itself. Once you tap this area again, you'll likely see the same reaction down. So we're expecting price to tap it maybe even a little deeper. Did we tap 28? No, we didn't tap 28, but maybe a little deeper into like 28 areas, and then dump afterwards. If we don't tap 28 and we just starts flipping and dumping, then that's okay too, because we'll enter sells whenever we get a chance, right? We just need an opening now. We know, or I know at least, or I believe that gold will come down today. I believe the gold will come down. You do have, for example, this area right here that you need to tap, right? You have an imbalance right there. You have another smaller area right here. So you do have these areas that do need to get tapped. And once you break below this dam effect, you guys know what a dam effect is, you're more than likely going to dump down. And now this dam effect is strengthened by the fact that you've also grabbed liquidity, right? So if you have a dam effect right here, you have now a dam on both sides. Usually what happens, or what could happen, is that, so let me explain this like this. Boom, 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 boom. So when you have price consolidating, right? You have up and down, up and down, down between two ranges. So you have support and resistance right here. And it's just reacting off of these supports and resistances. Now, if you now grab the lows or the highs and then come back into this range, this dam effect will get even stronger, right? Because then you have grabbed liquidity, which indicates that once you break above this resistance after grabbing liquidity from the lows, you have extra confirmation that you'll drive. Because again, you have taken the necessary fuel liquidity for price to keep driving. So that's what I'm expecting to happen now, basically. I'm expecting price to just break this area, and then we're gonna look for sells low here. So yeah, pretty much it, chat. Pretty much it, chat. DXY retesting with a small bottom top wick, perfect. Once the DXY flips, 80 is gonna flip, and you're gonna see a big reaction to the downside. 6.21k subs. Goddamn, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Yeah, we're growing, chat. The family is growing. The family is growing. Family is growing a lot, which is good to see. Update the VIP signals. History, boom, and boom. All right, boys. Now let's see if we get activated here. Sell stop at 0.62850. Nicely correlated. No, the correlation is even disproportional. Look, as you guys know about asset correlation, the correlation is disproportional. So you guys see how DXY is dumping, and so is gold, which means that once the DXY pumps, gold is gonna keep dumping. So the correlation is pretty weak for gold right now, which means that gold is very attractive to come down. Look, gold is looking to come down a lot. This is good. Perfect. Perfectly tapping into that area that we needed to tap into. This area right here. That's an area of rejection, and also that means that we get a bigger bottom wick once we flip on that 4 hour. Because again, it's a 4 hour candle. You guys gotta remember, 4 hour candle. This trade has a lot of potential, guys. If we come down to even the TP, like I might extend TP down here. I ain't gonna lie, I might actually do that. But we'll keep the TP at a 1-to-1 for now, because that's what we usually do. But I could easily extend if I see some volume, like if I see some good volume, and especially if I see the 4 hour closing below here, dude. If I see the 4 hour close below here, chat, goodness gracious, we are in for a good one. We're in for some generational wealth, chat. Did we have any comps earlier this morning? Okay, we had this one at, okay, this was 5, and damn, holy shit, dude, Asia. Why is Asia delivering all of a sudden, huh? The times I decide to start sleeping early, Asia decides to deliver. Bro, what is this? GU, yeah, GU had pure. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. How did this happen then, huh? Look at this, chat. Look at this. Just look at this beauty, all right? This was Asia Open. Asia opened immediately. Boom. Bottom wick, or no top wick. Close below, range. Came back up, retested, tapped it, dumped. 2 bottom wicks, 2 no top wicks, I mean. Came up, tapped them perfectly, 0 drawdown on this top one, and then dumped. Fucking hell, chat. Dude, Asia on GU, chat. The people that traded GU during Asia session, y'all ate, bro, y'all ate noodles, man. That's maybe racist, but y'all ate noodles. Holy shit. It's probably one of the cleanest compensation sequences I've seen in a fucking while. God damn. And that's like the only time I don't trade. Like, I usually stay up for Asia a bit. I decide to sleep early. We get 50 compensation plays. And then I sit here and wonder, what did I do to deserve this? EU comp, we don't trade comps on EU, my guy. So, no, not much we can do with that information. Oh. All right, boys and gal. All right. Just start snowing here. Check you. I just realized. Wait, why can't I see? Oh, just stop snowing here. Yeah, I haven't seen snow in a while. Like not. I haven't seen it snowing in a while. But where is here, bro? South Sweden. Check USD Use the JPY. I did check USD JPY. It's looking mad fucking bullish. Mad bullish. The 4 hour has no top wick or very small top wick. But the daily is looking bearish. So. What are my thoughts on USD JPY? I think sells are looking mad nice on USD JPY right now. Ooh, we're tapping. Oh, decision area as well. Yeah, sells on UJ chat. Sells on UJ right now looking really nice. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But again, if I'm gonna be bearish on AUD/USD, I can't be bullish on USD JPY. It doesn't make sense. If I'm bearish on Cardsta, okay. Damn, that's pretty far down. How the fuck did it stop snowing now? What? I live in like north, and we haven't had any snow in a few days. That's weird. Thank God though, because my mental health really needed that. I swear, I was on my last chat. I was on my last straw with this fucking weather. When you're moving next Wednesday, so exactly 1 week from now, I'll be moving. Exactly 1 week from now. Have you tested the comp in EU? I forgot to answer that. Yes, we have, and it's not good. It's like, again, it's decent, but it's not good. Where you look, you moving like downtown? Yes, I am. Stockholm City. Yeah, we tested on EU pairs. Like we've done a lot of back testing, but when are you giving away for the funded accounts? Tomorrow, one of the accounts will be given away tomorrow. So if you guys haven't entered the free giveaway, do so. If you guys haven't bought a ACG account using code BARD, do that because you'll get twice the chance of winning. But yeah, everything is in Discord. But tomorrow the winner will be picked. See what gold is on previously in this range. This is a very rangy area for gold previously. A very rangy area for gold previously. You do range every single time you tap this area. Look at here. Previously same areas. So you do consolidate. Sometimes you dump or pump, but you do consolidate a lot in these areas. I just realized. And let's see, grab liquidity, push down. Yeah, you do. You'd also see a kind of pattern here, chat. So when you do consolidate around these areas between 29.92, 29.22, and around 29.10, 29.08. Oh my God! Alright, we're dumping. I think AUD should be dumping as well. No, gold dumping like crazy. Holy shit! We do a comp though. Double comp though. We do have a comp, chat. So be ready. Be fucking ready. Hopefully we get this comp. If we're lucky. Missed you. We got a bump out and twerk it. Bro, people started to disappear. I swear I haven't heard from Reese, Omar, Paolo, and I don't know who else for so long. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, Omar still have contact almost every day. But but Reese, I don't know. I haven't heard from Reese either. In a while, I think he switched to futures, and I don't know. Maybe he doesn't have time to be on stream. Paulo is a grown ass man. He has a job, responsibilities, so he also can't be on stream that much. So yeah, I mean, people come and go, but they always come back. No, I'm kidding. I'm not though. But yeah, I don't know. Omar, obviously, he studies in college as well, so he doesn't have time always to be on stream. But I'm honestly, Chad, I'm considering to stop streaming for some time. I've considered it for a while to stop streaming and just focus on maybe putting out two long form videos a week on my YouTube channel. So instead of spending 3-4 hours a day streaming, I'm gonna just spend that time recording videos and just posting videos instead with just pure knowledge. Because honestly, streaming right now, Chad, isn't really doing me much. I can't lie to y'all. It's barely doing me anything. It's like more for you guys' sake. I swear it's not like I make money from streaming. So yeah, I might actually consider to stop streaming completely and just start making videos. That might be it, chat. That might be it. I'll stream for a year, Chad. More than a year. It's been 1 year and 2 months, so yeah. Probably I'll probably do streaming once a week, or sometimes a few times a month. But streaming every day, I don't think it's right now. The ROI of my time it's not worth it at all. But we're about to get this cold comp though. I just entered long on ADUSD. Good luck, my guy. The 4 hour has a very small bottom wick, and you're tapping into a strong area of resistance on the 4 hour, as you see. So best of luck to you, man. I'm waiting for this 4 hour to flip so we can enter the sells off of that sell stop. To be fair, just grind social media. You're gonna get more people in the Discord via content on TikTok and IG rather than streaming. Yeah, I know. I agree. So I think I'm gonna go all in on content, just YouTube content, TikTok content, IG content, and just probably stop streaming, guys. Honestly, streams aren't just worth it anymore for me. It's how I started and how I got my first few followers, but at this point, it's literally slowing me down more than it's doing anything for me. So yeah. It was a good ride. And honestly, I think most people would prefer for me to post two videos a week and more like informational videos that they can watch in their own time whenever they're available, instead of me streaming for a few hours a day, right, and talking shit in between trades, and then some lessons there, some lessons here. It's not as potent. We're just look at that, chat. Where is it? Look at that damn effect, chat. Look at that damn effect. So evident. Like I told you, very simple. Grab liquidity above the highs, created a dam, broke the dam, and now you're driving. As soon as you tap that area. So didn't even reject, didn't even have time to close below. Just literally started driving as soon as you tap that area, and that's what happens when you have a dam effect. So that's also one thing I'm gonna add to the dam effect. I forgot. So let me write that down. And there's some big dogs in the trading streaming industry who just steal all the people, you know. Better to grow on social media and make money that way. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the trading streaming industry is very monopolized. So there's a few people that get the majority of views. And when people, I realize that when people start watching a trade streamer, they usually stick to that person forever. They don't change. Yeah. It's literally not worth my time. Like, I think I'm losing more money than I'm gaining from streaming. You see that comp on the 15? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I do. We're waiting for it. I've marked it up. And of course, there's another. Yeah. But no, I think streaming, my streaming career is pretty. It's probably at the end. My streaming career is at the end of its lifetime. I think that's what it feels like, at least. Like, every stream is dying off a little bit. Watch streamer, yeah, exactly. Every stream is dying off a little bit. It's like, not, people are not excited anymore to hop on stream. It's not, chat isn't like, it's just losing me money. The ROI isn't good. The ROI isn't good at all from the streams. Stream for another year at least till 2026. No, man, dude, I swear, if like, I gain nothing from it. I gain nothing from streaming. Literally nothing. I don't gain more followers. I don't gain more traction. I don't gain anything from streaming anymore. It's literally just, right now, just almost like wasting time. It's not how it used to be a few months ago. No, definitely not. Definitely not. Used to have hundreds of viewers non-stop chatting shit. Yeah. No, it's definitely not how it used to be. And like, I guess you got to take the hint. I cannot be too hard-headed. Right? If I, like, you will, like, the industry will tell you when it's your time to go. The industry will tell you, the numbers will tell you, everything will tell you when it's your time to go, when you've done your fair share. And I think I'm at that point where it's kind of like the industry is telling me, okay, Bart, just probably time to stop. You've done yours, good job, but time to switch to something else. And I think I've hit that point. You know, I've tried, chat. I've tried to stream for even 2025. Like, streaming in like beginning of 2025, everything was good, and then like the last 2 months, I've just, there's not the same energy on stream anymore. Not the same people. Not the same viewers. Everything has slowed down. Everything has slowed down a lot, and it's not gaining either. Like, it's not like it's becoming better. It's slowly dying, and therefore, I will switch to. Obviously, I'll still, like, don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna be a trader. So I will still post content on YouTube, but I will switch to long form content. So it's, you guys will appreciate that more as well, because it'll be more potent, it'll be more direct, it'll be more concise content, straight to strategy. It won't be that you have to watch a stream for 4 hours to get 20 minutes of lessons, or to get an hour worth of lessons. But instead, it will be lessons and knowledge and value, very potent value, in those videos that I will post on YouTube, which is better, because then you can watch them on your own time. You don't have to be on stream every single day for multiple hours just so you can learn. But there'll be faster and better way to learn, and you can watch that. And basically, you guys won't have to obey to any time to be able to learn from me. So I think that's better for you guys as well. Yesterday I caught a bad comp on GPUs due for like 70 pips on a 50 lot, about $100. 0.5 lot. Not bad, huh? The comp alone can make you a lot of money. Yes, sir. Yes. Like, dude, I will continue to push the compensation play. It's way too good of a play. Everything will continue. It's just that live streaming will probably not continue. The live streams are gonna stop. That's a fucking insane play right there as well. Nowick play. But we do have that comp up here. We do have that fucking comp up there. I'll be over 34. Maybe switch to Twitch. That won't help. That will even make that will make it worse. There'll be way less viewers on Twitch because people like convenience, and it's not convenient for people to start looking to like download Twitch just to watch me. So they'll just change for another streamer on YouTube. That's faster and easier than to just download Twitch or start using Twitch just to watch me. So yeah, Twitch won't help. It's just, you know, my time to go. Will they be changing the comp in the Playbook V2? Yes, there will. Yes, the Playbook V2, the comp will change a lot in the Playbook V2. When the Playbook V2 drops, early April, late March, sometime, someday that time, it will be a lot of changes, chat. A lot of changes on the comp, especially on the comp. The new version of the comp is insanely good and much better. How much is your Playbook? Right now it's $79 a month, but when the Playbook V2 drops, price is gonna increase a little bit. I hope you don't mind, but here with a couple people I'm teaching how to trade, I present the comp play as if I made it up. Lol. No, I don't mind you teaching the comp play. Just don't act like you made it up. That's not okay. At least give me the credit. At least tell them, all right, this, like, redirect them to me. Like this guy Bard, he's the one who created it. You know, at least give me some credit. But you can teach everybody about it. Just they know where it came from. That's a QTC product. I'm just kidding, Bardo. I give you all the credit. I should tell them to watch you, but they don't understand English. Okay, then it's oh, that's hard. Perdón, mi amigo. Now I'm a gatekeeper, or it will stop working after commercializing. They will never stop working, chat. The day it stops working, that's the day I become a truck driver. Was your overall trend buys on gold? Bearish. I told you guys we were bearish this morning. Or this morning, or like when I started stream, like 30 minutes ago. Yeah. No, I'll focus on teaching, guys. So like you'll see the next couple of weeks I will completely shift. I'll completely shift my style or the way I operate on social media. Completely shift. There won't be any live streams anymore, unfortunately, but there will be YouTube videos, and there will be more content on TikTok, Instagram, and I will also have a mentorship where I will have a 12-week program where I take in maybe 3 people, 4 people, 5 people max. But those 5 people I talk with hands-on every single day, hop on calls with them personally, and help them grow, like a fitness coach or a PT. So that's gonna be. I'm gonna switch to that. That's gonna be how I'm gonna operate the remainder of this year. But it was fun while it lasted, guys. We had some good moments on stream. Now I might hop on stream here and there, maybe like once a month or like whenever I feel like it, and like catch up with y'all. But streaming has been great. Streaming has been great, man. What's up, Noah? Does this mean that this is the last stream for now? I don't know. I think not this stream, because this was pretty. I might have to do like an official stream, official last stream. So probably Friday or tomorrow. Probably Friday. Friday will be an official last stream. UJ JPO yesterday was crazy, bro. What a call. What did I say about UJ yesterday? I don't remember. Oh, be ready here, guys. Be ready. What's the main reason for leaving the stream? Are you just doing stream for the paid members? The main reason for leaving the stream is because there's no traffic. It's been stagnating. It's not a good ROI for me. I don't get anything out of it. I literally get zero from streaming. I don't get paid for it. It's literally just 3-4 hours of my time for free. That I just put into something that's not giving me anything back. So yeah, that's why streaming used to be my main source of like viewership, but it's not anymore. It's not my main source of traffic. So therefore it's outdated right now in my case. That's the reason I'm going to stop streaming. So I'm going to focus that energy into something that's more lucrative. Are you going to stream for the paid members? Yes. So for the VIP members, I'm going to stream London session starting from when I move to Stockholm. So next week, I'm going to stream London session for the VIP. So those guys are still going to have streams, but they're just for London session instead. And then I'm going to use the time during New York session, like the day, to just work on videos for YouTube, my mentorship students, and the playbook, and obviously content for TikTok, Instagram, and so on and so forth. You leaving us alone? No, I'm not leaving us alone, bro. I live through the playbook. I live through the plays. If you guys use the compensation play and you guys have learned the playbook, I will always be with you. Whenever you take a compensation play, that's me. All right, boys, we got. Ooh, it's almost like, you know, those guys. It's almost like writers. Like, imagine writers that, like, imagine big writers, philosophers such as Aristotle or Plato. Like, they'll live. They don't. They're like, their physical body has died, but they will live forever through their writings and through their teachings. Same thing. Sure, I might not stream anymore, and you guys might not see my YouTube anymore, but I will still live through my playbook and the teachings and the comp play and the Nowick play and everything I've taught you guys for the last year of streaming. Bro, you're sad also? No, maybe, like, obviously it's a hard decision because I like streaming, but it's just not worth it anymore. Okay, Play-Doh trading. Thank you. Obviously you're not sarcastic, I hope. Right? You mean that, right? All right, boys, we're about to get activated here, chat. No comment. All right, bro. Okay, boys. About to get activated here. Be ready. We're not activated yet. Very soon. Bart, what's your opinion on prop firm passing services? Obviously, this is a loaded question. You probably I don't know, like this is a loaded question. But I like them, and I'll come with some. Now I'm gonna just wait for a comment like, oh, but they did this, this. I like prop firms. You got something going on with ADUSD? Yeah, bro. I have a sell stop at 0.62850. You like them? How come? I use them. I think they're a great way to build capital if you don't have your personal capital. Yeah, I mean it's a way to leverage other people's money to build your own capital. So it's definitely. Oh, he's asking passing services. Okay. I like them. I've never had an issue. So never had an issue, and the people that I know use prop firms have never had an issue either. So yeah. I'm back. Hello, David Hernandez. Is it who David? Is it the David I think it is? Oh, I'm retarded. I'm fucking dumb. My bad, chat. He's talking about if you are a bad unprofitable trader, you pay people to pass a challenge. With an EA AI service to pass, you use them. No. I wouldn't do that. Why I wouldn't do that? Could I make a lot of money doing that? Yes. Why wouldn't I do that? Because I don't like putting extra pressure on something that's already stressful as it is. And I don't think it'll help anyone. Like genuinely, guys, from the bottom of my heart, I don't think you guys just copying me trading or just sitting at home eating potato chips while I trade for you is gonna help you in any shape or way, in any way, shape or form. For like in your life, not even trading, in your life. So no, I definitely do not believe in copy trading or EAs. I don't believe them at all. Because okay, let's say I pass your account, and let's say you get a payout, and then let's say I stop. Let's say I decide to stop. Something happens. Let's say I get run over by a truck. What do? You don't have the skill to do it yourself, so you're fucked. You're not independent. You haven't learned anything. You haven't gone through the trials and tribulations. You haven't grown as a man because you have dealt with emotions on the charts. You haven't grown. You haven't evolved. You haven't adapted. You haven't become better in any way, shape, or form. And that's why I don't believe in copy trading. It doesn't work in the long term. You're not independent, and you don't grow from it. You don't become a better person. You don't become a better trader. So no, I think if I do that, they'll be crippling you guys. I'll be crippling the people that follow me if I ever did something like that. And I don't want to do that. Can you explain this ADUSD trade? Very simple. Flip play on the 4 hour. So you have the 4 hour closing bearish below the most recent. You have an overall downwards trend on all time frames. You have the 1 hour just filling the previous wick, 50% of the previous wick. And since you have created a big top wick on this current 4 hour candle, you will create an equal big bottom wick on the other side, because that's a slingshot effect, right? The bigger the top wick, the bigger the bottom wick, and vice versa. Also, the DXY is looking very bullish because you have imbalances that you've created above that you need to get filled. You have compensations that you had to fill, and the news came out very, 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 very bad for DXY, but DXY is still pumping for some reason. Therefore, I do think DXY is very strong at this level that it is at right now, because if news was bad and DXY was also weak, it would have dumped. But since news was bad and DXY is still pushing, it means that DXY is inherently very strong. But yeah, that's the reason, basically. DXY correlation and flip play on ADUSD. and trend and all other things as well. And then we're also going to take this. Are you taking the gold comp? Yes, I am. It's like you want to be a doctor and you pay somebody to do your certificate for you, and then you're going to be a doctor in hospital and you're going to do what? Exactly. Right? That's exactly like that. That's it. So no. Chat, I don't believe in copy trading. I don't want to do something that's not going to make you guys better. All I do, all I teach, all the value that I provide is to make the people that consume it better. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to sleep at night if I knew that I was doing something that cripples people. And I get paid for it. Right? That's like literally, dude, that's, I swear, chat, copy trading. Hold on, chat, we're about to enter this position though. Be ready to enter gold. To 916 point. All right, boys, be ready here. We're about to enter this compensation play. All right, guys. I think I'm about to enter a little bit earlier here. Or I don't have to. Never mind. All right, I'm entered right there, chat. I just entered slightly earlier, right after the top wick, right there. Reason is I don't like the way it's rejecting right there. I don't like the way it's rejecting right there at all, and I think this is might be one of those times we get teased because there's a 5-minute very strong resistance right where it's rejecting right there. So now even if we tap that comp, that's perfect. Like the entry is, there's literally a 4 pip difference. So no difference at all. But yeah, that's my entry, chat. That's my entry. So, and AD about to get activated soon as well. So about to get 2 trades here probably. So this is a 1-to-1 area right there. All right, DXY is pumping, which is just good. All right, we're in this. Why do you take the comp play? What confluence you see? All the rules that we have. You're in a downtrend on the 15. Clear downtrend. You have no imbalances above. Within 7 candles. So within 8 candles, I mean. Within 8 candles. So it's yeah. Every confluence is where it should be. Let's see, boys. Let us see how this plays out. So we're in a two different positions here. All right. Sells on both ADUSD and on gold. ADUSD is about to get activated here. We have sell stops. Once this 4-hour flips, we get activated on the sell stops and we enter the sell. Gold is currently, I think it's tapping the comp here. It hasn't quite tapped it yet. It's about to tap the comp. It's having a hard time though, and it looks like it's very overextended. So gold is tapping that comp, and that's where we'll enter a sell as well. So we're sell. Okay, that's the entry. Let's see if we can get a double cross and confirm the entry. It will be a shame if we don't get a double cross here. Okay, that's the double cross. Okay, good. We got the double cross on the gold, on the comp. So the comp is officially activated now. Yeah, we got gold and ADUZ. Sells on both. They're positively correlated, so they move the same, which is good. Gold is just flipping on the 4-hour currently. After grabbing those highs, I highly doubt we'll grab the highs again. So should see a pretty easy drive down now, especially after retesting. Again, you guys gotta remember we have a trend that we might retest. So that's it. Let's see how this plays out now. ADUZ about to get activated, boys. Be ready. That's activation right there, chat. So we're just activated there on ADUZ as well. 6. All right, boys. That's it. Both positions are active. Now let's see how those play out. I might do something like this. You can see both positions. Alright, boys. I'm gonna just use the restroom. I'll be back in 1 second. Då så kollar man Kevin också, men då är det du jag kollar Kevin. Nej, ska bara kolla. Ja, jag kör. We got New York. No, wait. New York opened. Did the clock turn? Did the clock go back an hour, chat? Can somebody tell me if the clock went back 1 hour? Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. How did I miss that? Okay. Then New York opened 30 minutes ago, and New York opened at. Okay, New York opened right here. Okay. Dude, gold having a tiny wick. Where do you see that? If you're talking about the comp, it has a no wick at all. Ooh, 1 hour wick fill as well. Not looking too bad. Although we did close respecting that zone, so that's not too good either. But we do have that wick fill that we can catch at least. If you zoom in, see the 15. I don't have to zoom in. It's I have the indicator, the Nowick indicator, so it shows me the candles that have exactly no wicks, and there's no way our eyes are better than a computer. So no, I don't have to zoom in. I can see. يلا حبيبي. Compensation. But I'm kidding. That was news. That UJ candle. If it has no wick, bro. Perhaps 29.25.6 is a better stop loss, chat. Perhaps 29.26 is a better stop loss. All right, chat. XY still bullish. Japan. Slight drawdown here, guys. Nothing we haven't seen before. Nothing we're not used to. Although some bearish structure on the lower time frames would be nice. The 15 is rejecting there nicely. Again, if you zoom out, guys, you see that the 15 is creating consistent lower highs, which means that we are in a good trend to come down. The 1 hour also has that bottom wick that it has to fill, a big bottom wick to fill. So yeah, might look intimidating on the lower time frames right now, but you guys gotta look at the higher time frames because those tell a more clear picture. Hey, that's true. Lower time frame looks menacing. Main reason I got out is because I didn't see the lot size I had was too much risk. I took some pips. Okay, then it's good, bro. If you're over risk, then all props to you for getting out. You guys gotta remember that the 4 hour on the 4 hour has 2 hours and 50 minutes left, and the 4 hour usually likes to flip within this last half, the last half of the time frame. So it likes to flip when it's around 2 hours left. So we have a lot of time on the 4 hour on the ADUC. So there's no point in actually like making assumptions now or getting to. This is why set and forget is actually pretty good. Like you should actually forget. Like you know how Islam Makhachev says like send 2-3 years Dagestan and forget. That's what you need to do with trading, right? Set your trade and forget. Come back. Maybe 6-time call. Maybe watch it after a few hours just to see how it's going and then close it again. That's how you should operate. Sitting and staring at the charts while you're in a position will just make it murkier and murkier. Like the waters will just get it'll just dim the lights completely. So you won't be able to even know what you're seeing. After a while you don't even know. Like have you guys ever sat in front of the charts for more than 10 hours? Not even that, more than like 6 hours. You come to a point where you can't understand the charts. You don't know. Like I swear to God, your analysis doesn't work. Your brain can't register or even comprehend what's going on and come to a conclusion. Everything seems to go against each other. You're so emotional. Every single confluence is contradicting. Same thing when you study. If you guys study in college or something and you studied for more than 5-6 hours, you get to a point where you just can't read anymore. You just can't understand. Your brain physically can't take in more information. That's the same with the charts. So the best way to trade is actually to not watch the charts that much. Same that goes back to me why one of the reasons that I'm going to stop streaming is because I don't think it's healthy for my trading to sit and stare at the charts for 4 hours, because I never do that. Before streaming, I never used to sit and stare at the charts for 4 hours. There's no point. There's no point to sit and stare at the charts for 4 hours every single day unless I'm streaming, right? So I think it's going to be better for my trading as well once if I trade the way I used to, which is make my analysis, go on about my day, watch the charts here and there. Once my levels get tapped, once my analysis happens, I take a trade. If it doesn't happen, I don't touch it and I don't look at it. So yeah. Damn, AUD is literally not moving. The fuck? Super weird. Gold is again also consolidating. Why when we enter does it consolidate? What is this?
Oh, phone.
I'm gonna fall asleep, chat. I am about to fall asleep. Oh my days, this is slow. I use your Nowick play to set my TP. What does that mean? How strong is USD in CAD correlation? Not that strong. Not that strong. But it depends on if there's a big news event, it usually affects CAD as well. So if it's NFP or CPI, it usually affects CAD as well. But no, not that strong. Generally, no. But again, correlation between pairs differs from time to time. Dude, what is this? I swear to God, what is this? In a trade, yes. Your selling entry is the point I book my TP because that's the Nowick calendar. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Red cat news in 15 minutes. Red folder. Oh, that's why. Okay. Let me see what it is. Okay, so it's BO. Okay, it's nothing. Nothing that will affect the dollar. Nothing crazy. Oops. My question is why. My question is why AD, AU, and gold are inversely correlated right now. Gold is moving like the DXY, bro. What? Stupid ass gold, man. Stupid ass gold. Oh my days, chat. Oh my days. Canada Central Bank. I don't think it'll have a big impact on dollar. I don't think it's not enough of a threat to exit a trade, in my opinion. In a trade, yes, I'm in a trade. Both comp. No, both of these are not comps. One is a comp, one is a flip. Why did it sell on AED? Flip play on the 4 hour. So if you look at the 4 hour, you got a 4 hour flip play with a bearish incentive, bearish trend, DXY looking bullish. Multiple reasons, but yeah, that's one of the reasons. It's basically just a 4 hour flip play. Gold, basic comp. I already caught 80 pips today, so I was gonna book a win, but this comp is juicy. It is a juicy comp. It is a very juicy comp. Can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. I'm pretty confident in these positions, chat. I ain't gonna lie. The way we're moving, we're not pushing up heavy, so we're starting to find resistance right here at the comp on gold. DXY is looking currently very bullish on the lower time frames. So yeah, I'm confident in this position. The 1 hour also has a wick to filter the downside. Once this 1 hour flips, you're gonna see a wick getting filled. The gold comp won't hit stops. I'm waiting on volume zone sell. I'll also use fixed range volume indicator for buy sells. 20. 2019. No. Oh. Oh. Yo, is it okay if I take a nap on stream, chat? Yo, we have been here. Oh my days, bro. Chat, I swear to God, we've been here for so long. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We've been here for 40 minutes. I entered this trade 40 minutes ago. We're still at entry. What the fuck is going on, bro? No cap. This fucking price action is driving me insane. I'm gonna change, bro. I'm gonna change profession. I cannot trade. Fuck Trump, man. Fuck Trump. I thought I liked him. Fuck Trump, bro. Bring back Sleepy Joe. This price action, this does not work. I cannot trade with this volume. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do, right? I swear I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Dude, my P&L has been green red for the last hour, bro. It looks like a fucking traffic light. What's this opening? 30-minute opening, no top bottom wick. Okay, fine, good. No bottom wick on the 30-minute opening. Perfect. Price action has been diabolical. Bro, it's been worse than diabolical. I don't know what to do with this price action. What do I do? What do we do with this price action? Please, somebody tell me. Man, fuck. Chat, my lower back is so bad. Why are you cursing? Because I feel like it. Shit, chat. God fucking damn it. Do some push-ups. Low key. My chest is sore though. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Switch to futures bar, then go leave mami chulo. Dude, I love Spanish, man. Your back hurts from carrying all your followers to become millionaires. Not with this price action. With this price action, y'all see me outside begging from. Oh my days, bro. Hold on. All right, slight drawdown there, but we gotta know about the bottom wick on the 30 minutes, so we're good. Dude, it's hard to not become autistic with this price action. It's hard. I'm trying to be a normal person. It's hard to not be retarded. I swear. I fucking swear. Dude, my back, bro. I swear to God, it's something's wrong with my back. Yeah. Why is it inversely proportional? I don't know. I don't know why gold is pushing and AUD is dumping. This should be positively correlated. Nobody knows with this market, bro. I swear to God. I swear to the Lord. How many y'all want? Lord jeez. Ah. Oh my days. Oh my days, chat. Oh. Ah. Hold on, chat. Let me take a breather. Oh my days, go. Relax, gold. Relax, gold. What are you doing? We're about to make a comp. We're about to create a comp to the other direction, chat. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, bro. Ah. Oh. Yo, Jordan. Why you make me do that, Jordan? Oh, Jordan, why you make me do that? Oh, we got some. Oh, look who's coming back. We got some weirdos in chat. Hey, at least this ADUZ trade is looking nice. Hopefully we can offset some of the drawdown from gold. If we have a comp on both 1530. and 1 hour, but it's a flip on the 4 hour will be valid if we have a comp on both 15, 30, and 1 hour. Yeah, it's still valid. Yeah, in that case, it's still valid. Price action shit, you may have to switch to GJ again. I'd switch profession before I switch to GJ. I'll be honest with y'all. GJ's, there's no way I'm going back to that hole. Oh my days, bro. I'm still breathing heavy. All those push-ups. Oh. The fuck is that push-up? Those are just fast push-up. Fast push-ups. But it was not a good idea because now I'm dead, and also I'm already sore. Joking, Bart, don't be sad. Don't worry, man. I'm not sad. Let's see if we get a 15-minute flip. If we get a 15-minute flip, we're good to hold. If the 15 closes with no bottom wick, we'll close at the compensation, at break even. Because then we have a compensation against us. Are you in 2 trades? Yes, I'm in both these trades. Now you're less emotional, problem solved. True, true. That was... Thank you for that, Jordan. I really needed that. If there are all valid comps on the 15, 30, and 1 hour, according to what time frame should stop loss be placed? Usually 15 has high win rate cause. If it's a 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15, I would place stop loss at the 1 hour. Because the 1 hour is still the strongest. Even though the comp has the highest win rate on the 15, I'll still use the 1 hour as placement for stop loss. Tu eres mi papi, lo digo con orgullo bardingo. What the fuck does that mean? You are my puppy. I don't know. After that, I don't know what the fuck you're saying. Pause. Yeah. Yo, Jordan, do you speak Spanish? How do you know what that means? Because I didn't know what that meant. Yeah, bro. Remember I lived in Colombia. Yeah, you lived in Colombia. That's why. That's why. For a year. Can you explain the buys, please? Sorry, the sells. Compensation play. Very simple. Compensation play on gold. But we're about to try to get out of break even here because we do have a comp against us now. So we're gonna get out of break even once we come down and tap that comp on gold. Why is it against you right now? What do you mean? Why we're in drawdown? There's no top wick and no bottom wick right now. Shouldn't it be valid? This both both of these are valid. So this comp right here was valid. And now since this comp is about to close, you're about to close here on the 15 minutes with no bottom wick, this comp is now valid and this is now invalidated. So that means that once we come down and tap this comp, we're gonna get our break even here and enter buys instead. Just because of the compensation play. No top wick on the previous candle. I don't know what you're talking about, honestly. Would you look for buys instead? Yes. Buys instead from this here, right here. Or I'm not going to enter the buys. I'm going to close at break even once we tap that comp. But yeah, I'm going to focus on the AUD USD instead. If one didn't enter sell, can we enter buys? Yeah, you could. You could. If you come down to the comp, which let's hope we do. Let's hope we do come down to the comp. Don't want to be that guy, but I'm in buys from 08. I don't see why you went in sells when there's a huge high time from liquidity sweep at 21.5. 21.5. Why I went in sells is because of the compensation play. There's no way. After a year, y'all can still get off my dick. I swear. Guys, I know you're seeing me grow, and I know I'm like, come on. I know you see me grow in the industry, but please focus on your small community. Stay on your Zoom calls. You have your side, I have my side. No need to come back, chat. It's been a year. Come on, guys. It's been a year. Like, leave it. I hope y'all make all the money in the world. I hope all of you guys in the Zoom become millionaires. Wish you nothing but the best. I do my thing. You guys, you do your thing. God bless. Wish all the best for you. But yeah. Tensions? No, there's no tension. There's no tension. I mean, some of them are weird. Obviously, some of them come here and hate, but I have no tension with SA or any of those guys that were respectful. But all of them weren't respectful. But there's no tensions. I don't care anymore. It's been a year. I've literally completely forgotten and left that behind me. I'm doing my own thing. But seriously, not trolling cells were not the play. We'll see. I mean, if it stops, it stops. The play is a compensation play. I have that play. It has worked for me. So I'm going to take cells regardless of what other people's analysis are. Yeah, I'm going to follow the playbook. That's as simple as it is. Sometimes it hits stop loss. Sometimes it is TP. That's just the game. Yeah, we'll see. I'll probably retry the sells at 28 on gold. Off of that decision area up at 28. But the compensation buys does not look bad as well either. If you guys want to take those once we come back down. But let's see. Might get out break even here off of this comp here on the 15. Come on now, boys. I'll take you just sell compensated in my session. Can you break down if it was valid? Yeah, I'm just waiting for this gold in case it come down to break even, so we're quick with closing it, and then I'll take a look at it. Go on then, gold. Alright, chat. This is a good sign. You know why this is a good sign, chat? The DXY is dumping? You guys want to know why this is a good sign? If the DXY is dumping and gold is barely pushing up, what does that mean, boys? Can somebody tell me what that means? Asset correlation. It means that gold right now is inherently very weak. People might think gold is strong, but gold is inherently very weak. Because if the DXY is pumping this hard and gold is not pushing hard as the DXY is pumping or dumping, it means that they are very disproportionately correlated. Not inverse, they're still inversely correlated, but they're disproportionately correlated as well. Meaning you're not seeing as big of a pump on gold as you should, based off of this dump right here, which means that DXY just needs a small retracement for gold to start coming down and dumping. So It's not a bad sign here. We just need the DXY to start seeing small rejections. If we see small rejection on the DXY, we're good, right? We just need literally like this big of a rejection, and you're gonna see gold come down to at least 29.12 maybe. But obviously, if the DXY keeps on dumping like crazy, then gold is gonna hit stop loss. But in asset if you look at just asset correlation, right now gold is inherently very weak. And I mean, if these sells don't work out, I'm gonna retry the sells at 28 for sure. Once you grab liquidity above those highs and tap deeper into that decision area. If trade moves against you, you must take another position for managing the trade. That's not always the case. That's not always the case. Could be a good point, but if you don't see another entry, or another reason for it to come down, then there's no point in taking another trade. Right now, I don't see another entry, unless you want to take maybe this rejection area right here. But other than that, I don't see another entry. Yo, Bart, shave that mustache off. No, bro, trust me when I say this. No. Shaving this mustache off will make me look 12. There's no way. Gold gonna hit stop loss now. It had the chance to come down. Now broke again its own high. Yeah, right. The way it's looking right now is gonna hit stop loss. Let's see. Last rejection zone here. If it doesn't reject here, it'll reject up at 28. And that'd be another my sells again. AD flying too, really? It's not flying, but it's coming up. It is coming up. Yeah, DXY is dumping like crazy. DXY and gold has the exact same candle. 1 hour candle. Or 30-minute candle. Not the exact same, but almost. Let's see. Last rejection area on gold. If it doesn't reject here, then we're doomed, unfortunately. Let's see here, boys. This is the second to last stream you will get from me. So let's see. Let's see what happens. But right now it's not looking too good. But yeah, let's see what happens. And then last stream will probably be on Friday. And then that will be it for my streaming career. Why? It's just not worth it to me anymore. Like I spend 3-4 hours a day on streaming, and I don't get anything out of it. It's not growing consistently. I'm not making any money from streaming. I have a deal with Alpha Capital Group now that I have to focus on, so I have to make a lot more content on that side. and work closely with them. Working on the playbook V2. There's a lot of things, and the ROI on streaming isn't as good as it used to be. Obviously I started off streaming, and back then all my traction came from streaming, but now all my traction comes from other places like IG, TikTok, etc. I will still be posting YouTube videos explaining my strategy and long form videos, but just strictly streaming, I won't. It's not worth my time anymore. The ROI is not as good. I get 1% of the views on stream that I get on Instagram or YouTube, so it's better to focus on the things that are actually lucrative and bring in traffic for me and QTC. Obviously, I'll still be in contact with the VIP members, and I'll still be in Discord, and you guys will still hear from me, but won't be. I won't be streaming the way I'm doing right now. It's just wasting my time, honestly, because it's not giving me anything. Yeah, it was fun while it lasted, guys. 1 year and 1 year and 3 months of consistently streaming almost every day. VIP streams occasionally, I'm guessing. Of course. VIP London sessions after I move to Stockholm in next week. VIP London sessions for sure. And obviously now that I won't stream on YouTube, I will have more time for the VIP members and stream for you guys. So no worries on that. But yeah, boys, it was fun while it lasted. It was fun, but I just realized sometimes the industry pushes you out. Like, this isn't something I can be hard-headed and say, oh no, I gotta keep it. Like, no, sometimes you have to realize when shit's slowing down. You have to realize when it's your time to go, and you have to realize when it's not lucrative and it's not worth your time anymore, and you have to cut it out, unfortunately. And it's gonna be hard, but yeah, exactly, Vin. I think it's the right decision too. Streaming is it takes a lot. It takes a lot, guys. You guys don't know, but try streaming for a few hours a day, and you guys will see it takes a toll on your mental health and everything. Yeah, that's cool, Bard. Hey, just don't be all gay, and when we hit you up on DM to say what's up, like if a celebrity now act like you don't know, but no, bro, that'll never be me. I've never acted like a celebrity, and I never will. So don't worry about that, boys. Don't worry about that. Obviously, you guys can hit me up in DMs whenever you want. Fair enough. Honestly, bro, you gotta make adjustments for what's profitable for you and your brand. Yeah. Guys, I got a lot of other stuff that I'm working on, and also I realized that sitting in front of the charts for as long as I do every day is just not healthy anymore, and it's just not the way. Let's see. We're about to hit stops here, I think. I already hit stops. Yeah, that stops, boys. And don't feel like... Yeah, that stops. Unfortunately, boys, that was stops for this trade. On gold. Compensation play failed. You got to comp to the upside, though, which you can take if you come down. And we're still in this AD trade, so we'll see how this AD plays out. The way it's... Again, DXY just keeps dumping and dumping and dumping. But that was this trade, chat. Bro's on a losing streak now. Yeah, I mean, of course, that's trading. That's gonna happen in trading. Nothing I'm worried about. What pair is the opposite of gold? Everything that has USD in the beginning instead of the end. I was here when you were at 400 subs. Now I'm seeing it end. Yeah, but it's a good end. It's not a bad ending. it's a good ending, guys. It's a good ending. It's just me transferring into another form of teaching, another form of being in contact with you guys. So it'll be, of course, I will post YouTube videos. You guys will be able to find me on Instagram, and you guys will be able to DM me on Discord whenever y'all want, and I'll be active on Discord. But it's definitely not an end, bro. Like, making it sound like it's an end, like I'm gonna leave the internet is just too. That just sounds sad. Closing and opening another door, you know, exactly. Just another chapter of my life, bro. Right now, I feel like streaming isn't doing anything good for my trading, my mental health, or my energy, or anything. Like, literally, the past, I'll be honest with you guys. Like, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. The past month, or maybe 2 months of streaming has just been taxing. It hasn't been like I've done it because I've stayed disciplined, but it's been taxing. It hasn't been like I've been waiting to get on stream and been like happy to be on stream. It's been taxing. It's been like every single day has been I've considered, should I keep doing this? Is it really worth my time? Are people really enjoying it? And, like, you know, are people getting value from it? And I feel like if I don't enjoy what I'm doing, and if I don't value what I'm pursuing, then it's going to be hard for me to make other people value it or like it. So yeah, will they be giving out free signals too? Probably not. So I go take a shower, bro. Good idea, but I gotta hit the gym first. Yeah, tough gold position, guys. Tough gold position. I ain't gonna lie. Tough gold position, chat. Looks like it's grabbing liquidity above the highs. Are the stills valid from there? I would say stills are valid from 28. The sells we wanted to take yesterday that we didn't get are valid now. I would take sells from 28. That's tapping very deep into this decision area right here, as you guys see. So 28 seems to be, if you guys want to look for sells, or if you guys want to take another position, I would say 28 is better. But we'll see, guys. We'll see what Trump does. That motherfucker never ceases to amaze me with how much he can fuck up the market. Like I said yesterday and last week, I do think all-time high is going to get tapped eventually. I think we're going to break all-time highs again. But I did believe we're going to come down and at least tap down at these areas right here. At these decision areas right here on the 1 hour. But we didn't do that. Just looking at previous price action, you see that every time you come from these areas. Right here. You see that you come down and tap. Wick down to these areas before heading back up. So that was what I was expecting. But didn't happen. But we move on. Nothing to be sour about. Bro, my TP is at 28.91. Is that good for long term? Depends on where you sold at. I cannot tell you if it's good for long term because I have to know where your stop loss is. Yeah, boys. I think that's it for me, man. Honestly, chat. Remember last stream on Friday. That's gonna be last BardFx stream in a while. Obviously, I might come back and like do a. It's not gonna be a trading stream, but I might come back and just say hi on a stream again. But that will be my last stream for a long time, boys, on Friday. So make sure you pull up there. We'll have a good time. We'll chat shit. We'll talk like old times. And yeah, boys. Still in this AD position. I'll tell you guys what I do about it in the Discord. If you guys want an update on the giveaway, I'm giving it away tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm announcing the winner for the 50K funded account giveaway. So make sure to be in the giveaway. Make sure to join the Telegram, join the Discord, and react to the messages so I can enter you into the draw. If you guys buy an ACG account using the code BARD with all capital letters, you get twice the chance of winning. What happened to the funded challenge? The funded challenge will continue. The funded challenge will continue after I drop the Playbook V2. So the Playbook V2 will drop late March, early April. Still haven't decided with the new compensation play and all the other plays and concepts that I've learned over the last year. So that will drop soon as well. And then after that, we'll continue the funded challenge with all the new concepts. But yeah, boys, I appreciate you watching. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday for the last stream. Take care, boys.